Hello everyone, I'm Federico Pina, Head of Products and Operations at CoinFabrik Research. We are CoinFabrik's research division. Today we're going to be speaking about how to build better security tools, a little bit about CyScout. CyScout is the umbrella tool for different open source security tooling we'll be building for different ecosystems. So for the demos, you're going to go ahead, you have it on the session panel as well, but you can go here, you will find a script that you can go ahead and run it in your computer, so save it for later. This is going to take you to the first CodeQL implementation for any blockchain language, now in Solidity for the first time. So a little bit about the team, what we've been doing. We built the first static analyzer for Clarity, for Ink, and for Sorwan, which are Stellar, Polkadot, and Stacks. We built a fuzzer for the Stacks compiler that actually had interesting findings. We have a joint research collaboration with the computer science department of the University of Buenos Aires, and we just built and are launching today here at the event the first open source implementation of CodeQL for any blockchain language in Solidity now. So how do we build better security tools? I would argue that with the process, and for you developers, I hope you can follow with me for a while. We're going to see code in just a little bit. But the process, you're going to find it if you go with product. It's going to be called design thinking. It will be called the scientific method. But it usually goes around these 4 parts: research, define, build, test, learn, and iterate. So it's an iterative process that we can go over and over. Let's start with research. We're going to be trying to answer different questions and at each point of our trip and of our process. Here, the important questions are who and why. So we're building security tooling. Who are we building for? That's open for everyone. Who are we building security tools for? What problems are we solving for them, and what are the existing solutions? So would you agree that we're building security tools for auditors and developers? Yeah. So would you say that with this definition, we can move ahead and start building the tools? Okay, that's pretty much what everybody's doing, and we are missing like half the people we need to be thinking about. So security teams and developer teams are not just auditors and developers. We have product managers as well. We are human beings that work in technology as well. You have QAs, and you have an incredible community that want to take the opportunity of having open source projects to be able to actually check it and see the security standards they follow. So we need to think about auditors, developers, testers, product managers and project managers, and the community overall. Why do we need to think about all of them? Because each of them have a different problem we need to solve. If you only address problems for auditors and developers, that might be a useful tool in some cases, but it's definitely not going to be a tool that helps the entire ecosystem increase the security posture. So auditors need to thoroughly audit projects. They don't care about real time. They're not coding, they're reviewing. Developers, on the other hand, need real-time updates on what they're doing, recommendations.